Hi students, today we will discuss with 5th class English Bridging Gap Activity 3 Worksheet 3. Here what is this? Story writing. Beginning of the story. One picture is given in this page. What is this? Who are there? Grandfather and Abhi. What are they doing? Here grandfather is reading a book. Then that time Abhi came to grandfather and asked to grandfather. What is Abhi asking? Tata, please take me to the village fair. Abhi asked to grandfather, please take me to the village fair. Then grandfather replied, okay Abhi, let's go. She agreed to take him to the village fair. Then the two people went to village fair. This is the middle part. Here they are seeing, watching what are there in this village fair. What is going on this picture? There are so many shops are there and so many things are there. So many toys are there. Abhi observed the shops. Abhi and grandfather were watching the village fair. Where did the grandfather take Abhi? Here, two questions are given here. We write down it. Where did grandfather take Abhi? Where? They are going to village fair. The grandfather take Abhi to the village fair. Okay. Then the grandfather take Abhi to the village fair. Next question. What did Abhi see at the village fair? What did Abhi see? Abhi saw their toys, balloons, ice cream, and so many shops in the village fair. Abhi saw their toys, balloons, ice cream, and so many shops in the village fair. Okay students, thank you for watching.